Gout is an uncomfortable condition that is caused by high levels of uric acid in the blood. This creates crystals that accumulate in and around a joint, leading to a very painful form of arthritis. There are a few ways to manage gout symptoms. One way is to follow a gout diet, which involves eating foods that can help decrease the levels of uric acid in the blood. This diet won't cure anything, but it can reduce the number of gout attacks someone experiences. Drinking coffee is part of the gout diet. This hot drink has been shown to possibly reduce the risk of gout, especially plain caffeinated coffee. Some people may not be able to drink coffee regularly, so speak with your doctor about whether or not you can safely add this beverage to your day. As part of the gout diet, you should avoid liver, kidneys, limited servings of red meat, and seafood. However, some vegetables, like asparagus and spinach, can be helpful when consumed. Vitamin C can also help lower uric acid levels, so eating foods that are high in this vitamin can help people with gout. Pros and cons of drinking coffee. Whether you struggle with gout or not, coffee can offer some health benefits. Regular coffee consumption can increase your lifespan thanks to a combination of antioxidants, caffeine, and other natural compounds. It can also improve your mood and act as a performance enhancer. It even has the possibility of protecting against neurological diseases like Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. However, coffee isn't the best drink for everyone. According to prevention, the caffeine in coffee can increase stress levels and anxiety levels in people. Imagine muscles that are being prepped for sudden exertion but there's nowhere to go. This translates into what we know as the jitters, said Jen Wilkin, PhD, a New York-based neuropsychologist. It can also be harder to focus after drinking too much coffee. Everyone has a unique tolerance to caffeine, so you may need to experiment with the amount you can drink every day without experiencing negative